Alright guys, we made it to the Patuxent Refuge Center, or what is it baby? Patuxent Refuge Wildlife Center. And we are very excited. It's my first time here, but I think my husband's been here before. Alright babe, we made it. Arya, it's the husky weather. This is our first trail here. It's the Wisdom Trail. It's Wisdom Trail in grounds. I'm so dumb. Looks legit. Arya, are you excited for this walk, babe? All right, so it's a little cold out here, guys. Just want to let you know. It's supposed to be high of 46 right now, or high 47. But yeah, so look, looks like we have some companions down there. It's a pretty cool place. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we found some cut down trees, and not by man, by actual beavers. We're gonna pass by a beaver dam, which I think is pretty cool. It's crazy. It's cold here, right babe?
Yes.
Alright guys, we made it to the end of the trail. We'll back to the beginning. Yep. We actually took the wrong trail. We took the hunter's trail, and thank God we did not get shot at. We saw this hunter and he was very friendly though. He was like, make sure you're like, it's a free country, but we gotta go the right way. And we had to wear orange hats, right babe?
Yep.
Next time we definitely are bringing our orange hats, just in case we take the wrong trail again. But this was actually pretty cool. We did a 2-mile hike with Arya. Not too bad. She loves hiking, so yeah. Over there's a visitor center, but because we have Arya, we cannot go. It's fine. We'll come
another day.
Yeah, like what he said. Or you could check out Pesca y Turismo. He actually came here with one of his workers, and he toured everything, which is pretty cool. Yeah, sorry I'm out of breath. Well, thank you for watching, guys.